Hey, is that our package?
I'm just inspecting it.
Inspecting what? That's our package.
There's 3 bottles.
Did you seriously?
Y'all could just thank me later. It's okay.
Thank you for what?
For bringing your package back.
Please, leave it there. That's our package.
Opened it. Opened it is a very strong word. I inspected it. Relax. You just need to relax. That's your problem. You need to relax. If they're lucky, I'm honest. So lucky, I'm honest.